Hello students, how are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. Students, how would you feel if non-living things start behaving or talking like living beings? Well, this is possible with the help of puppets. Today's chapter which we are going to read is very interesting because we will be learning about various types of puppets. Students, are you also excited to learn about them? So, open your book and let's start. We are string puppets. In ancient times, we are made up of terracotta. These days, we are made of wood, metal, or cloth. We are tied to strings or threads that help us move. We tell stories of kings and queens and old folk tales. We are called Katputli in Rajasthan and Andhei in Odisha. First of all, let us know about puppets. A puppet is an object that looks like a human, animal, etc., which is manipulated by a person called puppeteer. In olden days, string puppets are made up of terracotta. The puppeteers uses strings or threads which are tied to them. They are used to tell old folk and stories. They are referred as different names in different states. Nowadays, string puppets are made up of wood, metal, or cloth in place of terracotta. We are shadow puppets. We are made of leather. You will find us in different shapes. We stand against light to form shadows. Have you seen us perform? We look lively. We are found in Odisha, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. As the name suggests, they are made to stand away from the light such that they form a shadow. They are usually made of leather. They are found in different shapes. They are mostly found in Odisha, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra. Wow, they look so colorful. We are glove puppets. We are made of paper or cloth. We do not have legs. You can wear us like gloves and use your fingers to move us. You will find us in Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, and Kerala. Puppeteers wear them as gloves and use their fingers to move. They are made of paper or cloth. They are found in Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, and Kerala. They are amazing. Last but not the least is the rod puppets. We are made of wood. Sticks or rods are fixed to us. These help us move. We are also called stick puppets. We are found in West Bengal and Odisha. Rod puppets are also known as stick puppets. They are moved with the help of sticks or rods that are attached to them. They are made of wood. Mostly they are found in West Bengal and Odisha. People all over the world enjoy watching puppet shows. Even you can also try to make your own puppet. It will be great fun. Some difficult words from the chapter are: first is puppet, Puppet, puppet. Second word is string, String, string. Next is terracotta, Terracotta, terracotta. Fourth word is Katputli, Kathputli, Katputli. Next word is shadow, Shadow, shadow. Sixth word is leather. 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 Your next word is glove. Glove. Eighth word is sticks. 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 Ninth word is thread. 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 And the last word is fingers. Fingers. Here are some words and their meaning from the chapter. First word is glory. 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 Glory means fame. Next word is terracotta. Terracotta means reddish brown clay. Leather. Leather means a material made from the skin of animals. Leather means a material made from the skin of animals. Let's proceed further to the vocabulary junction. We have learned in our lesson that the puppets were made of string, terracotta, wood, metal, cloth, and leather. These all are materials, and they are used to make several objects. For example, furniture, bench, pencil, etc. are made up of wood. So, here wood is a material. Similarly, in bed sheet, curtain, frock, etc., cloth will be a material as they are made of cloth. It's time for your practice. Underline the names of the objects that are made of wood. The names of the objects are chair, table, mirror, eraser, door. Chair, table and door are made up of wood. Underline the names of objects that are made of terracotta. Door, saucer, pot, napkin, vase. Saucer, pot and vase are made up of terracotta. So, here terracotta is a material. Underline the names of the objects that are made of cloth. Bag, jar, apron, spoon, bottle. Bag and apron are made up of cloth. So, here cloth is a material. Now it's time to learn something in grammar. Let's find out what. The puppets decided to have some fun. They start playing hide and seek. Where have all the puppets gone? I am under the table. I am behind the curtain. I am in the box. The words behind, under and in shows position. Above, among and below are a few other words that show different positions. A word that tells us about the position of a noun is called preposition. I have an exercise for you all. Here are some sentences given in which you have to underline the prepositions. So starts underlining. She was waiting under the bridge. Second is, the little girl stood between her parents. The dog is walking behind the boy. The vase is on the table. Underline the prepositions. Your answers are here, students. In the first sentence, under shows the position of the girl. She was waiting under the bridge. Likewise, in the next sentence, between is the preposition as it describes the position of the little girl. The little girl stood between her parents. In the third sentence, behind will be the preposition. The dog is walking behind the boy. And in the last sentence, on is telling the position of was. So, on is a preposition. We have studied about different kinds of puppets and the different materials they are made of. So, why not to make our own puppet? Student, this will be an activity for you. Make one sock puppet, give it a name and write the material names which is used to make that puppet. In our next class, before starting next chapter, I will ask the name of your puppet and the materials you have used. So, be ready with your puppet. That's all for today. Thank you.